Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado leaf tea. First, let's talk about why you might want to try this unique beverage. Avocado leaves are packed with beneficial compounds that can support your well-being. Many people find that drinking this tea helps them relax and promotes a sense of calm, making it a lovely addition to a winding-down routine. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy a soothing drink. To begin, you'll need to gather your avocado leaves. Look for fresh, vibrant leaves from a healthy tree, ensuring they haven't been sprayed with any chemicals. Once you have your leaves, it's crucial to clean them properly. Gently wash each leaf under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris, then pat them completely dry with a clean towel before moving to the next step. Now, let's brew your tea. For each cup, use about 3 to 5 fresh or dried avocado leaves. Bring 8 ounces of fresh water to a rolling boil. Place your cleaned leaves into a mug, then pour the hot water over them. Allow the leaves to steep for approximately 10 minutes to extract their full flavor and benefits. Finally, strain the tea to remove the leaves and it's ready to enjoy. Your avocado leaf tea is now ready. You can enjoy it warm or let it cool and serve it chilled over ice. If you prefer, enhance the flavor with a touch of honey or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Any leftover tea can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It's a delightful and simple beverage to incorporate into your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.